Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes. Today I will teach you the first chapter of your book, that is A Letter to God. So let me introduce you the characters that we will read about in this chapter. The most important character we have is Lencho. Lencho is a farmer. Second character we have is a postmaster. Third character we have is our post office employees. So what is this story about? Let me give you the chapter sketch, right? The story recounts the hard life and extreme fate and God of a poor farmer whose name is Lencho, who had lost his crop due to heavy rain and hailstones. Hailstones means ole, right? And the crops were only the source of income to fulfill his family's desire. But he still firmly believes that God will help him in such a situation and would not let him and his family die due to hunger. He writes a letter to God to seek help. Some kind employees of the post office helped him, so the story tells us to have faith in God and never lose hope in adverse situation. So इस चैप्टर से आपको सीखने को मिलेगा कि even if we are in so much difficult situation, in adverse situation, we should not lose hope, right? लेंचो का जो स्रोत था इनकम का, that was only his crop, and because of hailstones that were destroyed. But he still had a hope that God will help him out. So let's just start the story. Sorry, I do not have book, so I am showing you only this page where I have written the characters. So let's start this story. Lencho was a farmer who lived on the crest of a low hill with his family. His was the only house in the entire valley. We are talking about Lencho, who was a farmer. His field was full of ripe corn and easily visible from the house. So जो Lencho था, he was eagerly waiting for the rain to have a good harvest so he could earn money for his family. The farmers they work so hard, and if at the last any mishappening happens or any natural calamities like heavy rain or hailstorm like Lencho suffered, they also suffered, right? They also suffers. Lencho was hoping for the rain, but as Lencho hoped, it started raining at the time of supper, which gave Lencho a ray of hope. जैसे ही बारिश स्टार्ट होती है, Lencho became happy that it's raining, right? He was extremely happy to see that. He compared the raindrops as silver coins, which shows his joy. Lencho is comparing raindrops to the silver coins, right? Why? Because अगर raindrop होगी, that the crops will grow good and he would earn a good money from it. But soon his joy turned into despair, that means into sadness, as the rain changed into hailstones which ruined the crops. Hailstone जिससे कि क्या होती है, सारी फसल उसकी बर्बाद हो जाती है. The field had been covered with snow like a layer of white salt. Lencho was worried for his family. As I told you, Lencho was a poor farmer and had lost all his crops. He had firm faith in God, right? He found in God his last hope and decided to write a letter to God for help. He asked God to send him 100 pesos so that he can sow his field again and support his family until the new crops were harvested. Pesos, that means that is a currency used where Lencho lives. So that means Lencho ने क्या डिमांड करा, उन्होंने एक लेटर लिखा गॉड को and he demanded for 100 pesos. He also wrote that if God did not help him, his family would die by hunger. As soon as he wrote the letter, he went to post his letter. So as soon the letter reached to the post office, the postmaster saw address was written of God. So he got confused. He thought that the man must be sick. That's why he has written the address of God. Is it possible that we can write a letter to God? No. But because of his strong faith, he wrote a letter to God. The postmaster opened his letter and Lencho's letter to God, and the postmaster laughed, but soon he realized that Lencho had firm faith in God and his belief should not be shaken. So what he decided to help Lencho with the help of his post office employees. जब जो पोस्ट मास्टर था उन्होंने रियलाइज करा जितनी जल्दी कि वो जो लेंचो है उसका क्या है, इमेंस फेथ है राइट ऑन गॉड. सो उसने सोचा कि विद हिज colleagues, with his post office employees, he would help Lencho. He collected 70 pesos, right? And handed the envelope to Lencho himself, in which he also contributed a part of his salary. जो पास्ट मास्टर था, finally they were able to collect 70 pesos, right? पर जो लेटर लिखा था लेंचो ने, he demanded how much pesos? 100 pesos. And as soon as Lencho got the envelope from the postmaster, he became angry. Why? Because he saw 70 pesos in the envelope, but he demanded how much pesos? 100 pesos. Right? He did not believe that God could do so and send him less money. उसका faith देखिए आप, वो इस बात से सरप्राइज नहीं था कि भगवान ने रुपये भेजे हैं, बट इस बात से सरप्राइज था कि हाउ गॉड कैन चीट हिम, राइट? He demanded 100, why he got only 70 pesos? So what he thought, he decided to write a letter again for the rest of money. And this time he requested God not to send the rest of the money through the letter, because he thought that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks who might have stolen his money. क्या होता है, इतना विश्वास होता है उसे भगवान पे कि उसे क्या लगता है कि पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं या मास्टर हैं उन्होंने उसके रुपये क्या कर लिए, चुरा लिए. गॉड ने तो 100 पैसोस भेजे होंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने क्या करा, 30 पैसोस चुरा के दे हैंडेड हिम ओनली 70 पैसोस. सो उसने गॉड को लिखा, अब डायरेक्टली आप मुझे रुपये देना, राइट? सो दिस वाज अ स्टोरी, a letter to God written by G.L. Fuentes